I just found a little bird in the fence over there, and we're gonna try to get him out because I think his tail is stuck. Right? Do you think his tail might be stuck? I don't know how he got in there in the first place. It's a little bird right over here. He's a little bird. He's still alive. He's blinking at me, winking.
Or he's injured.
Oh. Think maybe injured. I don't think he can fly though.
Oh. Go up front. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, wasp. Oh, thank God.
I think that's a baby mockingbird. Parents are probably around here somewhere.
Yeah, it's probably what it is. I mean, it did sound like the mockingbird distress call. It was a pretty big baby. Oh, just saved the bird.